Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change email address on Aramex. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Aramex application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here, tap on My Account option present at the bottom right corner. After this, tap on Email Address option at the top. Now here, tap on Password box and enter the correct password of your account. Then tap on Secure Sign In. Now here you'll be guided to change email section. Now here, tap on the email address box and enter the email address that you want to change to. After you do so, tap on Change Email Address. Once it's done, Aramex will ask you if you want to change email. Tap on Confirm. Now you'll receive a verification mail, so open your email, then look for the mail sent by Aramex. Now here, tap on the mail. Now here, scroll down, then tap on Confirm Email Address. With this, now your email address will be changed on Aramex. And this is how we can change email address on Aramex. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.